tracking big changes coming to our forecast. Here in the near future, we're going to see temperatures dropping as well as rainfall chances switching on over to snow. So that's what's new in the outlook. Strong gusty winds becoming really prevalent into the mid-afternoon hours today. Those winds ushering in our colder forecast and causing that switch in terms of precip type. And playing through our wind here, you're going to see that the strongest winds are likely after noon today, continuing on until around 5 p.m. Up along US 10, you will have the calmest winds, with everyone else expected to hit around 45 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts. Low pressure system starts to clear the area this weekend, which will take us back to a more settled wind profile. In addition to our strong winds, we of course have our chances for precip in sight, which is why our weather ball is currently blinking blue, with both cooler temperatures in view and chances still for both rain and snow in sight. That view is sponsored by LaFontaine Ford of Grand Rapids. For the most part, we're only seeing a little bit of rainfall just to the north of Montcalm County right now, but there's a cluster of showers and even a few weak thunderstorms in there that are going to impact northern Muskegon County and work their way into Oceana County over the next half hour or so. But it doesn't stop there. Big picture of things, this is all swirling around a low pressure system, and there's still plenty of moisture associated with it. We're going to wrap into the cold side of this system and start to produce some chances for snowfall this afternoon. Hour by hour forecast here showing our chances for snow coming right around noon today and then becoming a bit more widespread to scattered as we head towards 5 o'clock this evening. While there will at times be some moderate snow coming down, it's going to take a little bit of time for it to really start to stick. We will see some lingering snowfall into early Saturday morning, as well as an additional shot of snow expected on Sunday. In terms of snowfall totals today, less than an inch. As for tomorrow, we will see another inch picked up along US 10 and then potentially another inch as we head throughout your Sunday. That takes us to 2 inches total for a vast majority of West Michigan. So yeah, we can certainly handle this weekend's snowfall. The rest of your 13 on your side 7-day forecast showing off the drop in temperatures that comes this afternoon. That sticks around. We will continue on with conditions in the 30s all the way through next week.